So these are the processes. Tapasa brahmacharjena samena damena va. Tyagena satta sauchabhyam jamena niyamena va. Dehovad buddhijam dhira dharmagya sadhyannitaha Khipanti agham mahadapi venu gulma mivanala. Venu gulma mivana. That's why there is a jungle. So many unwanted creepers. So you set fire. Everything will be burnt into ashes and the field will be clear, clean. So it is said, Dehovad buddhijam dhira dharmagya sadhyannita. Those who are dhira, dhira and adhira. Dhira means sober, and adhira means extravagant. There are two classes of men, dhira and adhira. Here, Sukadeva Goswami is speaking of the dhira. And who is dhira? Dhira means, in spite of provocation, in spite of something present which agitates the mind, one remains, in his position steady. He is called dhira. The dhira example is given by Kalidas Pandit, a great poet in India, Sanskrit poet, long ago. He has written one book, Kumara Sambhava. Kumara Sambhava. In our college we read that book in Sanskrit class. Kumara Sambhava. So he has given one example of dhira about Lord Shiva Mahadev. He was meditating, and the demigods, they had a plan that the demons are fighting with us, we are being defeated. We want a commander-in-chief who must be born out of the seminar of Lord Shiva. But he was in meditation. So how to do it? So Parvati, she was sent, she was a young girl, and she was worshipping the genital of Lord Shiva. So a young girl touching the genital, and she is present, but still Lord Shiva was in meditation. So Kalidas says, here is the example of dhira. He is called dhira. In spite of presence of a young girl, touching the genital, he is not disturbed. Just like Haridas Thakur, you have heard the Haridas Thakur. He was chanting Hare Krishna mantra, and somebody wanted to cut down. He was a young man, so a young prostitute was sent at dead of night, and she proposed. Haridas Thakur said, yes, it is very nice proposal. Please sit down. Let me finish my chanting, and I shall enjoy. So it became morning. The prostitute became Sparta, and Haridas Thakur replied, I am very sorry, I could not finish my chanting. Please come this night. The first night, second night, third night, the prostitute fell down on his feet and said, Sir, this was my intention. I was induced to do this act by some man who is your enemy. So kindly excuse me. So Haridas Thakur replied, I knew that. But because you came to me, therefore I allowed you to come here 3 days, so that you may be converted to be a devotee. So, now take this chanting beads, you sit down, go on chanting, I am living. Here is another dhira. So, here it is said, Deho bhag buddhi janga dhira dharma gyan. One who has control, deha, the body, bhag, the words, buddhi, intelligence, they are dhira. So this Tridandi sannyas means to become dhira, controlling Sari, Deha, the body, Vak, words, and intelligence. These things should be utilized. How? By Dhira, those who are Dhira, Dharmagya, one who knows actually the principle of religion. Dharmagya. Deho Vag Buddhijam Dhira Dharmagya Sadhyanita. Khipanti Agham Mahadavi. So, because our life is continuously committing sinful activities. From time immemorial, we do not know when it began. Evolution, many births. Therefore, this life is meant for rectifying all mistakes that we had committed in our previous lives or in this life. How? By this process. Khipanti agham. Agham means the resultant action of sinful life. Mahadapi, although it is very great. Mahadapi, how? Venu gulmo ivanala. Just like if you set fire to the unwanted grass and creepers in the field, you set fire and they will be all burned. Similarly, by this process, tapasad, brahmacharya, you can liquidate all of your sinful activities of life and you become purified. So, the next process, another alternative process, is being suggested by Sukadeva Goswami. Kechit kevalayam bhaktya vasudeva parayana agham dhunnanti kasnena niharo migubhasa. Kechit, not all. Kechit means somebody. Somebody, not all. Generally, people understand austerity or pious life by this process. What is that? Brahmacharya, sama, dhamma, jam, niyam, tyag, renunciation. He is very pious man. But another man, Kechit, that is also Kechit, not all. Kechit means somebody. Kechit kevalaya bhakta. Simply by pure devotional service. Simply by pure devotional service, Vasudeva Parayana. Inclined to Vasudeva, Krishna. Vasudeva Parayana. Or somebody simply by becoming Krishna conscious. Agham dhunnanti. They kill all resultant action of sinful life. Dhunnanti. Agham dhunnanti. Kasnena. Wholesale. How it is? Niharam iva bhaskara. Just like there is fog And as soon as the sun rises, whole fog gone, finished. Very good example. The fog is dense, you cannot see the next person. It is so dangerous. When there is fog in the ocean, they stop all the sea. I have experienced. And the aeroplane, sometimes they clash, they move very carefully. It is very dangerous, fog. But as soon as there is sunrise somewhere or other, everything. Similarly, somewhere or other, if you take to Krishna consciousness, all the sinful reaction of your life immediately finish like the fog. But this process is accepted. Kechi, somebody very fortunate. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu therefore said, এই রূপে ব্রহ্মাণ্ড ভ্রমিতে কোন ভাগ্যবান জীব গুরু কৃষ্ণ কৃপায় পায় ভক্তিলতা বীজ। The Krishna consciousness is not for ordinary person. It is meant for very, very fortunate. But simply by accepting one thing, Krishna consciousness, he finishes all business of brahmacharya, tyag, jom, niyam, sama, dama, everything.